Good morning, students. Welcome to chapter 6 Sense Organs. Think, how do you know about the things around you? You know whether they are big or small, far or near, because you can see them with your eyes. So, let's start our chapter. Our body uses five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch to feel and sense the things around us. The organs through which we get this information are known as the sense organs. Hindi meaning of sense organ means indriya. These organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So first we start. First sense organs is eyes. Our eyes help us to see object around us. Eyes sense of sight. हमारे चारों ओर जो भी चीजें हैं हम किसके द्वारा देखते हैं? आइज के द्वारा. When we look at an object, the light from that object enters our eyes and immediately sends signals to the brain. जैसे हम किसी चीज को देखते हैं वैसे ही हमारी आइज उस चीज को देखती है और सीधा सिग्नल कहाँ जाता है? दिमाग में. The brain helps us to know the shape, size and color of the object we are seeing. Look at the picture. Here is the eyes. Eyes help us to see. Working of the eye. आई कैसे काम करती है? First, an object is in front of the eyes. Second, an image is formed inside the eyes. Third step is the nerves in the eyes send messages to the brain. And the brain reads the message and enables us to see the object. Like this, the eyes is working. How can we take care of eyes? Eyes is very important part of our body. First, always sit up while reading or writing. जब भी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं कुछ लिख रहे हैं हमें सीधा बैठना चाहिए. Do not read while laying down or moving in a car and a bus. It strains the eyes. Keep the book 1 foot away from your eyes. Second, do not watch television or read for a long time. Sit at least 6 feet away from the TV set. टीवी भी हमें पास से नहीं देखना चाहिए. Do not read in dim or bright light. It strains the eyes. Make sure the light is good enough for reading. Fourth, do not rub your eyes with dirty hands or cloth. गंदे हाथों से आंखों को साफ नहीं करना चाहिए. Germs can enter your eyes and cause infection. Fifth, wash your eyes several times with clean water every day. Use clean, cold water to wash your eyes. हमें आँख को बार बार धोना चाहिए ठंडे पानी से धोना चाहिए. After washing your eyes, wipe them with a clean and dry towel. जो हमारा तौलिया है वो भी साफ सुथरा होना चाहिए. So today we stop our video here. I hope you understand. Today we learn first sense organs, eyes. Okay, bye bye.